Hey everyone, today we are going to take a sneak peek view of the WWE Trump Cards collection of mine. It's been there inside the box for a long time. These were the ones I purchased in the early 2000. I'm super happy to showcase to you guys, and for all those WWE fans out there, today we are in it to check some really cool superstars of WWE. Let's do it. Let's start with some history of WWE. Earlier, I still remember them being called WWF, which stood for World Wrestling Federation, and then it later got renamed to WWE, or World Wrestling Entertainment. And the reason for that was that they lost a lawsuit filed by another WWF, which is obviously, for most of the people who know it, it's the World Wildlife Fund, right? And because they lost that lawsuit, they had to change the name. And WWE is one of the biggest entertainment companies in the world, and it features a bunch of superstars, right, who are still featuring. Many of these superstars which you see here are bygone ones. They're not very active these days, but there are some whom many of you guys may still remember their names because they were super famous, and they became celebrities by themselves. I mean, right? For example, take a look at this guy here, The Rock. Now, today we all know him as a movie star, right? And he came from WWE. And so I had two Rock cards, and these are from two different collections. So as you guys can see, some of them I stacked them in twos. The only reason why these guys are so popular that they used to feature in almost all the WWE Trump card collections in the later years as well, because I had one collection from 2003, another one from 2004. Right, let's jump right in. This is one of my favorite star, Hulk Hogan, right? And then we have Undertaker, right, another big one. So the way, I don't know if you guys still remember it, how we used to play this game was that we used to compare. I mean, two of us will be sitting against each other, and one of us will be picking one choice. It could be either rank, fights, chest, biceps, height, weight, whatever it is, right? And we need to decide one characteristic from this and then call it out, right? For example, let's take the example of Hulk Hogan himself and say that, okay, I'm going to call out fights as 407. Because for me, I think Hulk Hogan stands out, or his biggest amongst all the characteristics listed here. I think fights is what he will be the best in, right? If you compare it, Undertaker has more fights than him, which is obviously, if the other guy has Undertaker as his primary card facing him, then I would lose it. I would have to give Hulk Hogan to the opposite number. But if it went against The Rock, whose fights are much less, it's only 310, I gain the card, right? That's how it used to be played. Now, this is Eddie Guerrero. So who else do we have? This is one of my favorite and one of the most popular ones is Rey Mysterio, a super small guy, but packs a bunch, a really good fight, right? He's super funny to watch as well. And then we have, of course, the famous Triple H. Some of these guys have also gone and acted in movies. For again, like The Rock, this guy is Batista. For those guys who know, he is Drax in the Guardians of Galaxy movie, right? And I've even heard that The Rock could be the next Black Adam, which is awesome. Then we have Matt Hardy. I just like this guy, Goldust. He used to come with some weird costumes. Ric Flair, another one. John Cena, right? And with his famous the gestures, which I still remember. Kane used to be I think he's the brother of Undertaker. The Big Show, right? And his weight is 510 PS, right, which is one of the heaviest in the business. Stone Cold Steve Austin. So then there are some female superstars as well. One of the most famous, of course, is Trish Stratus, right? And we had Tori Wilson, we had Sable, we had Lita, we had Victoria, right? So bunch of them, right? And if you go by the card deck, it's huge deck, right? As you guys can see, and this used to come in the form of trump card. So they also had this what do you call, the normal playing cards kind of feature in that, so that you can also use it and play the normal playing cards game as well, right? So I'm just laying it out for you guys so that you can see all the different superstars which featured in this trump card edition. So I hope you guys really like it, and if you guys are still collecting these cards or still have some memories associated to it, I have lots and lots, right? We used to play it through the night, way till early mornings. In those schoolhood days, we used to take these cards to school and trade it for other cards which we don't have. So super bunch of set of happy memories associated with these ones. And I'm so happy that I could again locate and find these ones again to showcase to you guys. So do share your thoughts, what you like, which cards are your favorite, and do share. So I would really love to have a look at them. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please do subscribe, and till next time, bye bye.